Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Juniper missed AP32 access point and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this access point is not connecting to the internet, or if your devices are not able to connect to it, if it seems to be not responding or lagging or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up on a new network, or just for whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up new, we can go ahead and do this really easily. We're going to find the reset button on the back of the unit, and we're going to need like a paper clip or whatever like that to be able to push in there. And what you need to do is power off the unit and then press and hold that button with your paper clip. Just press and hold it, and then while you're pressing and holding it, go ahead and turn the access point back on, and just keep holding it until you see the access point blink red for 3 seconds, and then that tells you that it's rebooting, and then just go ahead and let it do its thing, and you can set it up as a new device.